Welcome to dear students. Today we will discuss some MCQs which are related to our skeleton or bones. Now the question number 1 is, which bone is the most commonly fractured in the human? Option A, radius. Option B, femur. Option C, clavicle. Option C, tibia, and the right answer is clavicle. Now, the second question is, how many bones are in the adult human body? Option A, 206 bones. Option B, 208 bones. Option C, 210. Option D, 212. And the right answer is option A, 206 bones. Now the next question is, which type of bone is found in the skull? Option A, long bones. Option B, short bones. Option C, flat bones. Option D, irregular bones. And the right answer is option C, flat bones. Now the next question is, what is the longest bone in the human body? Option A, tibia. Option B, femur. Option C, humerus. Option D, radius. And the right answer is option B, femur. And now the next question is, the bones of the spines are called option A, vertebrae. Option B, carpals. Option C, tarsals. Option D, phalanges. And the right answer is option A, vertebrae. Now, the next question is, what type of joint is in the shoulder joint? Option A, hinge joint. Option B, ball and socket joint. Option C, pivot joint. Option D, saddle joint. And the right answer is option B, ball and socket joint. And then the next question is, the bone that forms the forehead is called the option A, temporal bone. Option B, parietal bone. Option C, frontal bone. Option D, occipital bone. And the right answer is option C, frontal bone. And now the next question is, which mineral is most important for bone health? Option A, iron. Option B, potassium. Option C, calcium. Option D, sodium. And the right answer is option C, calcium. Now next question is the type of bones cells that break down bone. tissues are called? Option A, osteoblast. Option B, osteocytes. Option C, osteoclast. Option D, chondrocytes. And the right answer is option C, osteoclasts. And the next question is, what is the name of the bone found in the upper arm? Option A, femur. Option B, tibia. Option C, humerus. Option D, ulna. And the right answer is option C, humerus. And next question is, which part of the skeletal system includes the skull, vertebral column, and rib cages? Option A, appendicular skeleton. Option B, axial skeleton. Option C, limbs skeleton. Option D, cranial skeleton. And the right answer is option B, axial skeleton. And next question is, what is the term for the soft flexible tissues found at the ends of bones to reduce friction in joints? Option A, ligaments. Option B, tendons. Option C, cartilages. Option D, marrow. And the right answer is option C, cartilage. Question number 13 is, the condition characterized by brittle and fragile bones due to loss of bone mass is? Option A, arthritis. Option B, osteoporosis. Option C, rickets. Option D, scoliosis. And the right answer is option B, osteoporosis. And question number 14 is, which bone is commonly known as the collarbone? Option A, scapula. Option B, clavicle. Option C, sternum. Option G, humerus. The right answer is option B, clavicle. Now the question number 15 is, which part of the bone contains the bone marrow? Option A, periosteum. Option B, compact bone. Option C, spongy bone. And option D, medullary cavity. And the right answer is option D, medullary cavity. Now question number 16 is, what type of bone is the patella? Option A, long bone. Option B, flat bone. Option C, irregular bone. Option D, sesamoid bone. And the right answer is sesamoid bone. And the next question, question number 17 is, the process of bone formation is known as? Option A, hematopoiesis. Option B, osteogenesis. Option C, chondrogenesis. Option D, fibrogenesis, and the right answer is option B, osteogenesis. And now the question number 18 is, which structure connects bones to other bones at joints? Option A, tendons. Option B, ligaments. Option C, cartilages. Option D, fascia, and the right answer is option B, ligaments. Number 19 is, which part of the vertebral column contains the most vertebrae? Option A, cervical. Option B, thoracic. Option C, lumbar. Option D, sacral, and the right answer is option B, thoracic. Now question number 20 is, which bones forms the lower jaws? Answer is option A, maxilla. Option B, mandible. Option C, zygomatic. Option D, nasal, and the right answer is option B, mandible. Question number 21 is, the small bones found in the fingers and toes are called? Option A, metatarsals. Option B, metacarpals. Option C, carpals, and option D, phalanges. And the right answer is option D, phalanges. Now question number 22 is, which bone is known as kneecap? Option A, femur. Option B, tibia. Option C, patella. Option D, fibula, and the right answer is option C, patella. Now question number 23 is, what type of joint is found in the wrist? Option A, hinge joint. Option B, ball and socket joints. Option C, gliding joint. Option D, pivot joint, and the right answer is option C, gliding joint. Question number 24 is, which cells are responsible for bone formation? Option A is osteoblast. Option B, osteoclasts. Option C, osteocytes. Option D, chondrocytes, and the right answer is option A, osteoblast. Now the question number 25 is, what is the main function of the skeleton? Option A, digestion. Option B, circulation. Option C, support and protection. Option D, respiration, and the right answer is option C, support and protection.